What's up? What's up? What's up, my evil bastard? What's up, sweetheart? Do you have to share me? Or are you just scared? I think you're just scared, actually. I think you're just scared. Are you just scared? Now, we don't normally allow interaction between the bats and domestic pets. However, they're not actually interacting. I know it's scary, isn't it? There's no physical contact between them. They're never left unsupervised, and these birds are not predators to bats. So the bats will have to deal with parrots in their day-to-day life. So I know. Did he do flappies? Oh, I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. Yeah, I know. Okay, it's all right. He's going to sleep now. He's going to sleep. He'll be gone. You can stay there for a bit. You're safe now.